Welcome to our comparison video where today we're putting two home fitness treadmills to the test, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the See-N-Fix Walking Pad. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we're diving deep to see which one of these fitness companions is the best fit for your home workout needs. Let's get started. When it comes to affordability, both treadmills hit the sweet spot with a price tag of $299. Reviewers appreciate this price point, indicating that both products offer good value for money, making fitness more accessible without breaking the bank. The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is celebrated for its quiet, brushless motor, allowing for a less disruptive workout experience. On the other hand, the See-N-Fix Walking Pad is noted for its robust 2.5 HP motor. Though it might be slightly louder, it's still appreciated for its power and reliability. Heart rate monitoring seems to be a split decision. The Cursor provides built-in handrail heart sensors, a feature well-liked by users for real-time feedback. The See-N-Fix, lacking direct heart rate feedback, encourages a more intuitive approach to monitoring exertion levels, which some users find appealing. Space is another key factor in this comparison. The Cursor offers a compact yet comfortable running belt ideal for smaller spaces. Conversely, the See-N-Fix boasts a significantly wider area, preferred by reviewers for providing more room to move, making it a great choice for those who prioritize space during their workout. Tech savviness comes into play with the digital LED console of the Cursor, a feature that reviewers find helpful for tracking their progress. The See-N-Fix, with its minimalist approach, appeals to users looking for simplicity in their workout routine, avoiding the distraction of too many gadgets. Customer service and warranty are crucial for long-term satisfaction. The Cursor's dedication to customer care and a generous 5-year warranty are highly regarded by users. See-N-Fix's more laid-back approach also has its fans, who appreciate the brand's straightforward support without feeling overwhelmed. Overall, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill impresses with its compact design, quiet operation, and tech features, making it a favorite among users for indoor workouts. The See-N-Fix Walking Pad, on the other hand, wins points for its space-saving design, ease of use, and minimalist approach, appealing to those seeking a straightforward, effective workout. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the See-N-Fix Walking Pad. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision about your next home fitness investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you prefer and why. Check the description for links to both products. Until next time, keep moving towards your fitness goals.